but I was dressed in blue. A clock stood still, then lost its name, while footsteps echoed what we knew. You spoke in phrases made of smoke that never settled on the floor. I tried to answer, but my words had slipped their coats and left the door. And the organ cries in silver tones like rain upon a Sunday mine. I reach for you through folded time, but find a shade of something kind. There were postcards on the windowsill from places neither here nor there. A uniform upon the chair, still warm as if you'd just been there. The evening poured another thought into a glass already full. We drank to things we almost were and things that vanished beautiful. And the organ leans, then slowly sighs, a hymn for days that never end. I call your name into the dusk, it comes back altered, not a